Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could type faster and more accurately than ever before? The Logitech MX Keys S wireless keyboard is here to revolutionize your typing experience. This lightning-fast wireless keyboard offers a laptop-like profile with spherically dished keys shaped for your fingertips, delivering a fast, fluid, precise, and quieter typing experience. As you type, the keys respond with a soft yet tactile click, making it feel like an extension of your fingers. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its performance and features, making it a well-reviewed and popular choice among keyboard enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the MX Keys S is its ability to automate repetitive tasks with the Logi Options Plus app, allowing you to create custom shortcuts that perform multiple actions with a single keystroke. The backlit keyboard keys also light up as your hands approach, adapting to the environment and providing a smarter illumination experience. The solid build and low-profile design of the keyboard provide a comfortable typing experience, with an optimum keyboard angle that promotes better wrist posture. Whether you're working on a Windows, macOS, or Linux device, this multi-device Bluetooth keyboard can pair with up to 3 devices, offering seamless connectivity and flexibility. In real-life use cases, the MX Keys S excels in providing a comfortable and efficient typing experience, making it ideal for long work hours or intense gaming sessions. The wireless design and rechargeable battery also make it convenient to use on the go. With its unique combination of features and benefits, the Logitech MX Keys S wireless keyboard is a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their typing experience. If you're looking for a keyboard that can keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, look no further than the MX Keys S, and discover a smarter, more efficient way to work and play. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.